welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I am Apripa Petanti and I would love to say if you hit that subscribe button. I can't believe we are 2 away from 360. Let's make it happen, baby. Okay, so I am so sorry, can't forget, sorry that I skipped uploading 2 days, Friday and Tuesday. మీకు నేను ముందు ఏదైతే ట్యూస్డే వీడియో చేసినా కారణం చెప్తాను. I have my exams. If you're not following me on Instagram, just I'll put the handle, just check it out because you'll be getting updates there. And I mentioned on my Instagram saying that I have my exams and so I could not upload. But ivala exams అయిపోయాయి and immediately I sat down to record video because I was excited so much to record. Like, this is my stress buster, everything, and I'm glad I am back. And I'm sorry again for skipping 2 videos, but your girl is gonna make it consistent from now. So today's video is kind of personal, not personal actually, but ఏదో అలా కొన్ని విషయాలు నా గురించి చెప్పాలి కదా, because most of the people actually don't know what I am in detail. So I thought let's do this fun video called 25 facts about me. Me. So నేను ఒక బుక్లో రాసిన యాజ్ యూజువల్, బికాజ్ ఇలాంటి ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అండ్ షిట్ అయితే నేను కొంచెం ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జామ్ రాసి వచ్చింది కదా, మళ్ళీ నేను స్ట్రెస్ తగ్గలేను. సో ఐ జస్ట్ రోట్ డౌన్ అండ్ విల్ క్విక్లీ జస్ట్ గో త్రూ ఆల్ ద weird facts that I have to tell you about. Not considered just as a fact, just for your information. My name is Petanti Aprupa Tejaswini. So the last thing, it's not even in my birth certificate. My mom added it and she didn't write in the birth certificate, but it's there in my some accounts and things. So it's weird, but yeah. So let's jump straight into the first fact about me. That is, I am a Hindu and I'm a Telugu Brahmin. So చాలా మంది నన్ను చూసి అడుగుతారు, are you Marwadi? Are you a Hindi speaking person? No, I'm not a Hindi speaking person. I am a Telugu Brahmin and I am a Hindu and I'm a Telugu speaking person. Yeah, it's a common doubt everyone legit asks me. So yeah. So the second thing is that I am a vegetarian. I am wholly a vegetarian. I do not eat non-veg at all because I am a Brahmin. I didn't have this habit. It was against for us to eat, so I never ate. However, I have the habit of eating egg because my daddy always chesaru maku because it's a good source of protein. Now even then I ate egg. I love egg actually, but being an animal lover, I just can't eat egg anymore. So నేను చాలా తగ్గించాను and I am thinking to stop it. Like, I thought that I'm not going to eat anymore, but I know ఒక హ్యాబిట్ని ఆపడానికి ఒక ఇన్స్టెన్స్లో అవ్వదు. So I am legit reducing it a lot. Yeah, so that's the thing. So the third fact about me is that I am a weird intro extrovert kind of person. ఇలా ఎందుకంటే the word intro extrovert, I don't know what to name it. Normally I'm a very outgoing person, like I told you, but this is so weird. If you relate to it, just let me know in the comments. If I meet anyone new, then I be so quiet, so silent. Well, oh my god, she doesn't talk, she's so innocent. But ala close friends అయితే, then they get to see the real side of me and how much of a pain I am, and they need to deal with all my tantrums. So that is what. So a word ki naak em petalo, I don't know the exact word for this. So that's the reason I am telling I'm an intro extrovert kind of a person. Cool, I am not going in any order, nenu ala random ga chepna. So the next fact about me is that right now I'm doing my BBA 3rd year in Gayatri Vidya Parishad. So that is what I'm pursuing, BBA 3rd year GVP. Next fact about me is I love traveling. I love exploring, hashtag YOLO, hashtag adventure, everything. I love నాకు ఎక్కడైనా న్యూ ప్లేసెస్ వెళ్ళడం ఇష్టం, న్యూ థింగ్స్ చూడడం, న్యూ destinations, new beginnings, everything. I like traveling and exploring a lot. The next fact about me is that I am a dog lover. ఇప్పుడు నేను animal lover అని ఎందుకన్నానంటే you'll get to know I have some phobias and I don't know. But I like animals. I really like animals. I respect them. I care for them. But I am a dog lover. I like them, but I love dogs. Like, dogs are my thing. The next fact about me is that I am an All India Radio B grade artist in devotional singing. Yes, I am. I am an B grade artist. So, first time audition ichinapudu, first grade is B grade, and mali at if you again audition, you will get an A. So you will never get an A directly. So yeah, I am a B grade artist in devotional music in All India. Next fact about me is that I am not at all a text person. I am a sucker for calls. I love talking on phones. అది కూడా with the people I like, not with everyone, but you know, కొత్త కొత్త మనుషులు తెలుసుకోవాలంటే yeah, definitely I can talk to them and you know get to know. అందుకే I do come live more times before ముందు కన్నా ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కువ వస్తున్నా, because that's the reason I started to come live, because నాకు అలా మాట్లాడడం ఇష్టం, not texting with an unseen face. Yeah, so if I tell you, if any person is telling you that Amu doesn't reply to text, girl, it's not my attitude, it's my, I can't help, I just can't text, you know. Call me, I'll talk for hours, but hours ante if I know you and if we are close like that. But I can talk, but I'm not a text person at all, and I'm sorry to all those whom I am not texting. Next fact about me is this is not a crazy thing, but yeah, I have allergic bronchitis. So it's basically the first stage of asthma. So yes, I have that, and yeah, I'm on my medication and I'm all good, no worries. The next fact about me is that I love dancing more than singing. I enjoy dancing. I have learned classical Kuchipudi dance for almost 10 to 12 years, I guess. I don't know properly, but from my LKG to like 9th or 10th, I have been learning Kuchipudi. So yes, I love dancing. Even now, Allah dance is the more than singing. I love to dance. I don't know, but 9th or 10th I stopped going to classes. Yeah, but I love it. So the next fact about me is that I hate physics. I hate physics. No offense to anyone of those physics lovers there, but I hate physics. I'm sorry for that. Now 10th class, 9th class, school, and see, it's like some, even Latin would look nice for me, even Greek would look good for me, but not physics. I hate physics. I don't know how I got that many points in 10th. In science, I don't know. I like biology, but I hate physics, like hate physics. And our physics, అంటే నేను చేయలేకపోవడం, నాకు నచ్చకపోవడం వల్ల I could not take many of the things I wanted to. Like once I wanted to do Navy job also, like I'll become a Navy officer, you know. But unfortunately, because I hate physics, I can't read it again. 10th లో అయిపోయిందంటే అమ్మయ్య ఇంకా అక్కర్లేదురా బాబు ఫిజిక్స్ చదవమని I thought it. Even in my inter, I took MEC, so I was bachgai. The next fact about me is that I am a person with low metabolism. You can Google it and know. So I have low metabolism. That's the thing. So the next one, din koncham link I untundi, is that I am a very picky person. Beat food, beat shopping, beat clothes, beat people, anything. నేను చాలా picky. Especially food. నేను మా అన్నయ్య జోక్ చేస్తారు, ఒక 10 వెజిటేబుల్స్ చెప్పిన తినేవి అంటే I can't fill 10 fingers, you know. I think I eat only very few. I'm a very picky person. Naku food extreme picky nenu. Clothes lo kuda chala picky. That's good, you know, sometimes. Okay, so the next fact about me is that I am a vivid dreamer. Like, you know, it's so funny. Like every day I sleep, నేను ఎప్పుడు పడుకున్నా ఏ టైంలోనా I get some or the other dreams, so many together, and I remember most of them. కొన్ని అలా మర్చిపోతా because I don't know the reasons why, but yeah, I get so weird dreams. So the next one is it is kind of funny. When I told I love traveling, the contrary to it is that I sleep most of the time traveling, especially if I go on train. Especially if I go on flight, no, I never sleep in flights, yeah. But if I go on train, I legit sleep. ఎప్పుడైతే train tick start చేసినా, okay, I'll start sleeping. Right from my childhood, this happens to me. I don't know why. కార్లో మేము ఎక్కువ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తాం, బట్ దెన్ కార్లో కూడా నేను పడుకుని పోతాం, బట్ ఐ ట్రై టు నాట్ స్లీప్ అండ్ అలా చూడడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. బట్ ట్రైన్ చూడడానికి కూడా ఏముంది కదా ట్రైన్లో, సో అంతే ఇలా ఎప్పుడైతే ఉయ్యాలా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో టిక్ 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 అంతే స్లీప్ వేసేస్తాను, నీట్గా పడుకొని పోయి మార్నింగ్ వచ్చేసరికి స్టేషన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది దిగేస్తాను. సో ఐ స్లీప్ డూయింగ్ ట్రావెలింగ్స్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ irritating, you know, because I love to. The next fact about me is that I have pretty many good number of phobias. మానే ఎప్పుడు ఏడిపిస్తుంది తెలుసా అసలు నీకు ఇలాంటి వింత వింతవన్నీ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తాయని. యా, ఐ హ్యావ్ క్వైట్ ఎ గుడ్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫోబియాస్. ఫస్ట్ like my biggest phobia, I can't is that I hate, sorry to say, but I have a phobia of reptiles. It's my deadliest phobia. Adi, I can't even see, I can't see anything, especially, oh my god, I can't. I'm sorry not to hurt the feelings of the reptile lovers or even reptiles for that sake. It's not their mistake, it's mine. I can't take them. I have a phobia. Asal నాకు ఏదో అవుతుంది తెలుసా, goosebumps వచ్చా. I can't just. The other one is called trypophobia. You know, I recently discovered this type trypophobia, and then comment down and tell if you can feel that cringe. I can't. Just Google it and see if you have that. Do let me know. Then we can give a high five. Continuing with this is I am a person with OCD. Now, in Majikan Channel research used to know about this, and I, you know, got to know that OCD of different types. Now, I am the kind of a person, if anyone sneezes, I will close my nose and pargetesta and then sanitizer quotation, and then only I can breathe. Like I cannot breathe until the sanitizer is done. And me, like, నార్మల్గా మనంతా ఇప్పుడు కోవిడ్ వచ్చిన శానిటైజర్స్ వాడుతున్నారు, బట్ మీ ఐ యూస్ టు యూస్ శానిటైజర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ బిఫోర్ ఓన్లీ, అండ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ యూస్ టు మేక్ ఫన్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్, యు నో, దే యూస్ టు మేక్ ఫన్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్, అండ్ నౌ సీ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇస్ యూజింగ్ ఇట్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రాంగ్. అండ్ చాలా అలాగా ఐ కాంట్, యు నో, అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇస్ లైక్ దిస్, ఇప్పుడు ఆ ప్లేస్లో అక్కడ ఉంటే ఇలా తిరుగుంటే ఐ గెట్ that thing. I can't. It should be like this only. Our position lo, our angle lo undali. And then the TV volume should be in even numbers. 2, 4, 10, 12, not 13. Nothing like that. It should be even. Like that. Ala chala unnai. Chala aspects unnai. Next fact about me is that I am a skincare addict and a body care addict. Like I love skincare. Yeah. The next fact about me is that I have squint eye. Yes, I have. Then chinnaga unnappudu I never had it, but my brother had it, and he had gone through an operation because he didn't want it. Yeah, so he. But at chinnapudu anta ledu. I don't know why. Chinnaga this eye just goes like that, like a squint. But yeah, one day maybe I'll do, because it's for my good, not for somebody else to see. For me, I want to look confident, so that's the thing. The next fact about me is that I love collecting earrings, finger rings, and perfumes. I have a special place for them in my heart, in my room, everything. My stress relief habit is going to beach, especially sitting there, seeing the waves and thinking of my life, listening to music. That is legit bomb stress relief for me. Other than that, party parta, I just, you know, anything, any songs like that. Yeah, and making videos especially, yeah, this is a stress relief for me. The next fact about me is that I prefer movies over series. నేను ఎన్ని సిరీస్ చూడలేదు తెలుసా, నేను ఎన్ని సిరీస్ చూసానో అవి నా ఫింగర్స్ మీద లెక్క పెట్టచ్చేమో, చాలా తక్కువ. I never watched Friends, I never watched Gossip Girl, I never watched any of this. I never had a habit. I even saw Vampire Diaries Soccer season, and I'm continuing to see the second season. I don't know, I like movies over series. I'm not a big fan of series, web series, but I'm starting to watch. కొన్ని episodes unte yeah చూసేస్తా, but you know, seasons together, each season has 50 episodes. It's so tiring to see. So yeah, that is me. This fact about me. The next fact is that I love the genre of rom-coms. I am a big old school lovey girl, and I love rom-com. I guess we are the last two facts of mine. So the 24th, I guess, fact of mine is that my guilty habit is that I'm so guilty of this, but I can't help it, being an Aries person. If ఇప్పుడు నన్ను ఒకరు హర్ట్ చేశారు అనుకోండి, లైక్ మేబీ సంథింగ్ దే హర్టెడ్ మీ, దే డిసప్పాయింటెడ్ మీ, దే మేడ్ మీ ఫీల్ యూజ్లెస్, బ్యాడ్, స్టూపిడ్, ఎనీథింగ్ ఆఫ్ దాట్ సార్ట్. ఐ మేక్ షూర్ ఐ మేక్ దమ్ ఫీల్ ద సేమ్ వే. ఇప్పుడు నన్ను ఒకటి అంటే it can be in any way. I will use my words as I want, you know, and I'll make them feel that same way. నాకు హర్ట్ చేస్తే నేను వాడిని హర్ట్ చేస్తాను డెఫినెట్గా. ఐ నో ఇట్స్ లిటిల్ బిట్ weird. Yeah, I do that, but I'm trying to stop doing all these childish things because I don't know, I feel just one life and you just need to let go of things and move on and be happy. Yeah, I was a lot like this in my intermediate and degree first years times, but degree second year I started to let go people, forgive people, make my circle as small as possible, and ala changes vastuntay. You should always allow people to grow and learn. Being my fam out there, I hope you give me a chance to always learn from things and experiencing it. Yeah, so this last fact is obviously a continuing fact to this, that I am a very impulsive person, very 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 star impulsive person. Sometimes అది నాకు మంచిగా అవుతుంది, సమ్టైమ్స్ అది నాకు చెడుగా అవుతుంది, ఐ డోంట్ నో. బట్ లైక్ ఐ సెడ్, ఇప్పుడు గొడవ అయితే ఐఎమ్ సో ఇంపల్సివ్, నాకు నచ్చింది చెప్పేస్తే నాకు నచ్చింది అనిస్తుంది బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ హర్ట్. యా, నాట్ intentionally, maybe sometimes intentionally, I don't know. In the same way, if I get happy, I just do things like this. If I like it, I have to do it. I'm so stubborn in a good way. Like if I like it, I'll do it. If I like it, I'll do it. If I want it, I just want it. So I'm like that. I am a very impulsive person. I do not advise any one of you to take this fact about mine to yours and be like that, because I have faced so many consequences in some cases of my life for being so impulsive. It should not be so impulsive because ఆలోచించి మనం ఏమైనా డెసిషన్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో యా, ఐ am impulsive even now. నేను మొత్తం ఏం మారలేదు, I'm trying to change little. So I guess we have covered it all the 25 facts about me. I guess మీ అందరికి తెలిసి ఉండదు. The people very close to me know some of these కూడా తెలియదు వాళ్ళకి. So yeah, I've spilled a lot about me and I'm glad because you guys are like my fam, as I told, and I love you so much, you people. I really want to thank you all for giving me this time to heal from things, get better. In our last video upload chesina, I got so many of you people putting in the comment section down that it's okay girl, just you got this and things, and some people even texted me directly, some people call me, and it's so super sweet of you. It's like I said, small gestures mean a lot, and I'm so grateful for having you all. Yeah, there's no more such kind of phases. We all are happy babies, and yeah, that's it for today's video. If you did like it, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. We are so close to 360 and 400, that number. Oh my god. Don't forget to like, share and comment on what you want next. Let's meet in the next video. Bye you all.